Hey, what's up, graduates? Welcome back to another tutorial video. So the last tutorial, we taught you how to add a parallax video image section to your store. And it was pretty painless, right? If you're here again from that last video, I'm assuming it was painless and you liked the video. And if you do, make sure you like that, smack that like button. I can't say it. Everyone's like, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I can't even say subscribe. Don't smack it because you might break your keyboard, and we're here to make money, not cause added expenses. So anyways, let's get right to it. I'm going to teach you today how to add an FAQ, because for some reason Dawn theme doesn't have an FAQ. It doesn't have the simplest features. It's a great theme. It's a great starting theme if you want to learn Shopify liquid development, but it's missing a lot of those core features that we need. So I'm going to teach you how to add this snazzy little FAQ. Look at that. FAQ, frequently asked questions, if you didn't know what that means. Some people don't. So anyways, we're going to get right into it. Now, as always, you're going to have a very easy tutorial. Follow along. You're going to have a folder. It's going to have an assets folder, a layout folder, sections, and snippets. So we're going to need to use all of these files. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into our, well, I'm going to start off first with, you start off in the home, click on online store, and then you want to go and find the theme. This is the theme we want to edit. And I'm going to open up the customize option as always. I'll close out of this tab because I have too many tabs open. Wait for that to load, and then you'll see that there is no FAQ, right? We've got the parallax from the previous video. And if you haven't seen that, click this right here. You'll see how to add this beautiful section for your theme. And again, these sections work across all themes, not just Dawn. I'm just using Dawn as an example. All right, so there's no FAQ here. So let's go and add an FAQ. I'll show you how painless it is. So we're gonna go click Actions, Edit Code. Wait for Shopify to load, close out of this file. Now, first off, we're going to need to load up some assets, right? So go into assets, you'll see two files here. Now, we're going to copy this directory here, and we're going to go all the way down to assets, open that up, and you'll see a link right here called Add New Asset. Choose File, go to your directory. I'm already in there, but I'll just do it anyways for the sake of the video. And you're going to have to upload each one. So we'll just hit Open, Upload Asset. Now, if you're watching another video tutorial and you've already done this, you don't need to re-upload the assets. If you try to, it'll say, do you want to replace it? You don't need to. You already have the assets. Most of our snippets and sections have these assets. So once you add them once, you don't need to add them again. Then we're going to add the next one. Utilities, upload asset. And voila, you uploaded an asset. Now, the next step is to not go into here, but to go into here. We're going to go into our layout, and you'll see a text file, add to theme.liquid, and that's exactly what it says, theme.liquid. And notice how the folder is called layout, and there's a layout. You're going to have to do that. So open up theme.liquid and open up the text file right here, and you'll see paste above the closing head tag. So we're just going to copy this just like so, copy that. And then what you want to do is you want to find, and the easy way to do that, do Control F, and then just type in head, and it'll bring you right there. So right below this script tag, you want to just paste that in, and then hit and smack save, just like you smack the subscribe button. So close out of this one. And now for these next steps, you're going to want to open up a blank text editor. Like I always tell you, if you want to, you should probably download a code editor like VS Code or Sublime, whatever you want to download. Notepad isn't really meant for editing code at all. So yeah, probably do that. I'm going to keep reminding you to do that until you do it. All right, so now we have a section. So now what we want to do is we're going to open up our sections, and let's go and rename this. We'll copy that, add new section, paste that in, create section. And if I'm moving too fast, I apologize. You can always slow down the speed. All right, so now it's opened up here. Now we have all the code. It's already done for you because we're just that cool. Now we copy all this, and we're going to go into here, highlight all that, and paste it, and then hit save. All right, next step, guys. We're getting there. We're getting close. Pretty soon, do you feel the excitement? Pretty soon you're going to have an FAQ. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to FAQ. Now we're going to go and upload a snippet, and we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to paste this into here. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. All right, now, oh, you know what? I just realized you don't need some of this stuff. Yeah, that's all right. Next tutorial, you'll need this stuff. We're going to show you how to add a cart drawer. So you're going to want to subscribe and like the video so you actually go and see that video and get notified, because Dawn doesn't have a cart, slide out cart. How crazy is that? All right, so now this is on our snippets. Snippets. Rename, Control C, add new snippet, paste it, create snippet. Now we're going to go back to here. I'm going to go open this up, paste that in. Now, if you're feeling dangerous, you don't really need the cart drawer if you don't plan on doing that. So you can just get rid of this. And for this case, I will. But like I said, next tutorial, you're going to need the same exact thing. So, you know, it's up to you. Choice is yours. We give you options here at ecom graduates. All right, so now all of our files are there. All you got to do is smack that refresh button just like you smacked the subscribe button. Same force. All right, awesome. We're here. Now we're going to go to add section. And come on, Shopify, you got this. I believe in you. Here we go. e.g. FAQ. Look at that. Beautiful. Now hit save, because sometimes it just, things kind of like get weird. And now it works. Now it works magically. So you have a wide range of options. You can do a black background. I keep doing that, but we'll do a weird tan color background. You got your text color. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. So if you want red text, you can do red text. See? You know, you can get really fancy with it. But for this case, we're just going to do black. Now you can set your max width. So if you want to do like, you know, whatever you want, really, you can just make it full width if you want. If you want to align center, you can do that. If you want to change this title size, if you want to have the duration accordion items opening speed, how cool is that? So we'll make it even. Look at that. Look how smooth that is. What FAQ do you have that's that smooth? Nothing. I know. Another to open, so you can actually show multiple at the same time if you want, or if you don't feel like doing that, they'll close. So you got all kinds of settings. Now, if you're an agency and you're, you know, you can literally go use this and charge somebody to install it. But we're cool. We're ecom graduates. We're not charging you. We're showing you how to do it. So yeah, that's a tutorial. Play around with the settings, add some awesome features to your store. As you can see, we already have an FAQ on here for some reason. Oh, right, because I was testing it. That's why it's there. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to, you know, leave a comment. There's no question that's dumb. Okay, we want to help you. We're here to help you. We want to see you build out an amazing store, drive traffic, make money, change your life. That's what our goal is here. If you guys do need any development support, inside these snippets, you'll notice that there's a link. You can always go in and go to our website, Ecom Graduates. And shameless plug, we're showing you all of our customer testimonies because we're just awesome. We're really good at what we do. I'm not bragging, I am bragging, but we're really good at what we do. We help people every single day. This is what my wife and we do to get up in the morning. You know, we live to develop and make awesome things. We do apps, we do custom themes, we do all kinds of intricate customization development projects, and the list goes on and on and on. So go and check out our portfolio. Also, before I leave and you go and do this tutorial, go join our Facebook group. You know, we're there. We're trying to build up activity. We're going to be kind of having some exclusive content in that group. So there may be some tutorials in there that you won't necessarily find on YouTube, and vice versa. So kind of you know, join a community of other people who are interested in, you know, bettering their store visually and back-end wise, I guess. So anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day or night or evening, whatever.